Okay, good days everyone. We are from Group H. Now we are going to do a demo for our combination of PBL 3 in part 1. So now as you can see, we managed to compile all of the components developed by our team members, but unfortunately we have to run each component from PyCharm first in order to make it be able to run properly. So as you can see here, first of all, if user and visit our website, they're going to be landing on this page, which is the list of name page, and inside this page user can like key in their name. Let's say I'm going to key in my name and edit. So my name going to be stored here. Let's say another member of my group, and some other name. Yeah, now we got three names, and if I click on sort, it will sort name based on the alphabet. And if I click reset, you're going to reset this page. Now user can get to another page, which is index. Inside index, it's also the same with the first page, but user can input multiple names simultaneously. Let's do it the same. That's it. And if I click add, it will add all the name here. And clear the list, also the same, it will clear the list. Now back. Okay. Now let's go to sorting. Sorting also the same. And if I click sort, it will sort based on alphabet, but unfortunately this one don't have any clear section, clear button. And the last one is the wheel. Now user will be prone to this wheel of name, which is it is a sort of game where player need to click, and they will be prompt with a different question, and they need to answer it. And if user want to not exclude any specific question, you can just untick it, and it will be exclude from the wheel. Let's say I'm going to exclude 3. Now as you can see, 3 question already been excluded. And that's all from us. Thank you.
Hi madam, my name is Ling Ching Shan, match number 27738. So now I'm going to present about experience. We have 4 components with 2 same function, which is the add name and sort name function, and another 2 different function, which is the enter name function, and another one is the wheel spinning function. At first, we decide to combine 4 components in a website, which is combine all the components in a one web page, and we have assigned the job task into 4 parts, which is the first part is the framework of the website, and second part is the design of the web page, which is using the CSS, and third part is the main function of the website, which is using the JavaScript, and the last part is combine all the components. When we start develop, we realize that there is 2 component we're using EJB component model, which is the language of Java, and another 2 component we're using COM component models, which is with the language of HTML. So if we want to combine all the component in one web page, we have to change a lot of the source code, and we have to change a lot of the source code in the component, and it doesn't meet the requirements of reusable components. Yeah, that's all for me. I will pass to my group member.
Next, I'll talk about the challenges we face during PBL 3 Part 2. The challenge is we have to come out with the solution in combining two different component model and language components into one system without changing any source code. So we came out with the solution that we combine all the components by adding the source code instead of changing the source code. The concept is to let the component user to choose the component that he or she wanted in the system, which developed in one web page, and the component user could navigate to the selected component and use the function. Selected component will be called once the component user selected through the specific button. There are three functions that require a platform to support, which is NetBeans and PyCharm. This means the system can only run with the platform. So we have to find a way to combine all the components into a system which can only run in only one platform.
Hi everyone, my name is Chong Yua, metric number 272043. Okay, so now I will continue to talk about the challenge. Okay, to combine all of the components into a system which can run in only a platform, we decide to combine the component that developed using HTML into the two components that developed by Java and use only one platform, which is NetBeans, to run the system. We combine all the components in one zip file. Okay, next. Okay, so now we'll talk about the important experience. Okay, so during the time we combine the component, we realized that the component that using EJB as component model can only use Java to develop. So it cannot be combining any other component that using another language. However, the component that using COM as component model can be combining with other component that using other language to develop. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you.